It's crazy. These little baby birds now are actually looking like little baby birds. You can see all their little feathers. Windows a little dirty from all the kids, but that one right there, you can actually, it's so adorable and so cute. And you can see different colors on its feathers. They hurt me a little bit. Aren't they cute? See the one, the beak changed colors. And the other one still looks so young compared to him. And he has he looks like he's ready to already fly out the nest. Aww. Cute. Wow, what a difference in both of them. See, one still looks like a baby. They're so cute. See the difference? One still has yellow and the other one has a little blue on its wings. There's another one with blue on its wings. That one must be the baby. It took a while to hatch. I wonder if his face is crooked or if his beak is crooked. Or if half of it grew. Not sure if you can see, but there's that little yellow sticking out. And the bluebird has that on both sides. So their beak changes as they mature too. It's crazy. Alright, time to close the window.